G'day, it's Chef Jason here, and welcome to The Great Bite. Here we share love for all things culinary, including history, recipes, and stories. So don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Before investing in expensive cookware or the latest kitchen gadgets, every professional chef knows that the most important tools are the knives in their role. Every knife is designed for a specific purpose, helping chefs work faster, safer, and with greater precision. While you might not need all the knives on this list, here are a handful that form the backbone of any professional kitchen. From breaking down large cuts of meat to creating delicate garnishes, these are 10 essential knives every professional chef should own. The Niri knife. This is a Japanese specialty knife purpose built for vegetables. Its straight edge allows the entire blade to contact the cutting board simultaneously, making clean, precise cuts without rocking the knife. It excels at chopping cabbage, onions, carrots, herbs, leafy greens, and root vegetables. For chefs preparing large quantities of produce every day, the Niri offers speed, consistency, and exceptional precision. Carving or slicing knife. A carving knife features a long, narrow blade designed to create thin, even slices of cooked meat. Whether carving roast beef, turkey, ham, brisket, or smoked meats, the long blade reduces the need for sawing motions, preserving the texture and presentation of the finished product. Professional chefs rely on carving knives whenever appearance matters just as much as flavor. The Cleaver. The Cleaver is built for heavy-duty work. With its thick rectangular blade, it easily chops through bones, large vegetables, poultry joints, and hard squash. In many Asian kitchens, vegetable cleavers are also used for slicing, dicing, crushing garlic, and transferring ingredients from a cutting board to pan. Despite its intimidating appearance, a quality cleaver is surprisingly versatile in skilled hands. The fillet knife. For chefs who regularly prepare seafood, a fillet knife is indispensable. Its long, thin, highly flexible blade glides along fish bones with remarkable precision, allowing clean removal of skin and bones while preserving delicate flesh. The flexibility helps maximize yield, reducing waste and producing restaurant quality fillets with minimal effort. Santoku knife. Originating in Japan, the Santoku knife has become a favorite in professional kitchens around the world. Its name roughly translates to three virtues, referring to slicing, dicing, and mincing. The shorter blade and flatter edge make it ideal for rapid vegetable preparation, while the thinner blade creates exceptional clean cuts. Many Santoku knives feature a Granton edge, which are small indentations along the blade that help reduce food sticking during slicing. The utility knife. The utility knife fills the gap between the chef's knife and the paring knife. Usually measuring 5 to 7 inches, it's perfect for medium-sized jobs that don't require a large blade. It handles sandwiches, small fruits, cheeses, sausages, cucumbers, and countless everyday kitchen tasks. Many chefs consider it their grab-and-go knife because it's convenient for quick prep work without reaching for a larger chef's knife. The boning knife. A boning knife is designed for separating meat from bone with maximum efficiency. Its narrow blade, typically 5 to 6 inches long, allows chefs to maneuver around joints, ribs, and cartilage with precision. Whether trimming beef tenderloin, deboning chicken, filleting pork, or preparing lamb, this knife minimizes waste while maximizing usable meat. Flexible versions are excellent for fish and poultry, while stiff blades provide more control when working with larger cuts of meat. Serrated bread knife. A serrated bread knife is much more versatile than its name suggests. Its long, saw-like edge slices effortlessly through crusty artisan bread without crushing the soft interior. It also works exceptionally well on tomatoes, citrus fruits, cakes, melons, and delicate pastries. Unlike straight-edged knives, the serrations grip slippery surfaces and require less downward pressure, making clean cuts easier to achieve. The paring knife. While the chef's knife handles larger jobs, the paring knife excels at precision work, usually between 3 to 4 inches long. It's perfect for peeling fruits, deveining shrimp, removing strawberry stems, trimming mushrooms, scoring vegetables, and creating decorative garnishes. Its small blade provides incredible control, making it indispensable for delicate tasks that require accuracy rather than power. The chef's knife. The chef's knife is the undisputed king of the kitchen, typically measuring between 8 to 10 inches. It is the most versatile knife a chef can own. Whether you're chopping onions, slicing herbs, dicing vegetables, carving cooked meats, or crushing garlic, the chef's knife is designed to perform hundreds of different tasks. A high quality chef's knife should feel like an extension of your hand, offering excellent balance, weight, and control. Most professional chefs spend more time using this knife than any other, making it the single most important investment in your knife collection. Professional chefs don't own dozens of knives simply for appearance. They choose tools that solve specific problems. A well rounded knife kit begins with a dependable chef's knife and expands to include specialized blades for precision work, bread, meat, fish, vegetables, and heavy duty chopping. Combined with proper sharpening, regular maintenance, and safe handling, these 10 essential knives can tackle nearly every task found in a professional kitchen. Investing in quality knives isn't just about cutting food more efficiently. It's about improving consistency, reducing fatigue, enhancing safety, and elevating every dish you prepare. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. This is Chef Jason, and remember, love is the secret ingredient.